What's up, everybody? It's KB Auto Project. Today we're going to be installing a turbo sump pump on my Subaru. Got it up on the lift already, got that all good to go, and we just gotta take all this whatever out and get going.
All right, let's do it.
He's way better at doing this than I am, so yeah.
So it looks like where we want to get started here
Taking all the clips out.
is taking all these clips out. All around here now. See, there's 1, 2, 3. Looks like we got a screw here, another one right there, a couple clips here, and then another 2 back here. Well, there's actually 1, so it's kind of different.
These clips here too.
And then there's some more clips on this side.
Yep, sandwich over here.
Yeah, there's some attached on the side here.
We should be able to get away with leaving these side ones on.
And it looks like there might be one way up there yet. That needs to come off, so this ought to be a lot of fun. And then, what's the story on this skid plate here? This need to come off too?
Yeah.
More than likely.
Yep. Those bolts there.
So, what, 4 bolts? 5 bolts.
4.
1, 2, and then these here.
That shouldn't have to come off. This is attached to that.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I see what you're talking about now.
So we should have been able to take this one out.
Yep. All right, let's get started.
All right. Alright, so took off all the skid plates down there.
Yep.
Probably broke a few clips. But see my downpipe right here, my J pipe. My turbo's up in here. I think what we are getting into today is this hose right here. Not 100% sure yet, but I think that's what we need.
I think, yeah, that's what we're gonna be putting that little piece on.
So
We'll find out.
we'll
After
go ahead and get
these.
to it.
Figuring out the hose. Let's go over here. A little workbench.
Mike built just for us.
What a dude. Yeah, check that out. Big KB Auto Project. You had to put the big old YouTube banner on there too, huh?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What's it say? Well, you don't want to lose that. That's probably important. It's probably important. Hey, look. It's not in Chinese.
So I don't think it's the hose we're looking at.
Way up in there?
Yeah.
It's way up in there. That's what he said. That's like... Jeez. This is going to be fun. Let's just take it all apart.
Taking tire bumper off, the radiator out.
Take the turbo out.
See, I don't know where I can put a front mounted nickel. Look at that radiator. It's like the entire freaking front of the car. It's a high output. Those fans are giant.
What are you talking about? You just get rid of all this plastic nonsense right here and you pull this down and then the front mount intercooler goes inside and this goes back over top. Sounds good to me.
Okay, so there's that pulley.
It looks like there's so much space in there. Like, look.
It's one of those hoses right there. Because this is that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
trying to get
so
a
it's this hose right here.
Wait, I can't even get the camera to see way the hell up there.
Right here. So we'll might have to lower it. Let's lower it down.
I might have to lower it. All right, we'll get this thing lowered and then we'll cut back to the main juice. All right, so now we're in the situation where we need to get to this line that's right in here, next to this other line, the dipstick line. So it's this line next to the dipstick line right here. So we don't have a lot of space to work with, and there's a sensor down here that needs to get unplugged, I believe. So what we're gonna do to get more room, we're gonna take off this fan. So we're gonna grab a 10mm socket here and go to town. Thing is, Brandon,
It'd help if you loosened it.
sorry. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, it's coming. Get these off. This is quite the real pain. Get these off. Now, is it just these two on top here?
Yep, and then there's an electrical connection on the bottom. What's it say? Here's the first one.
There's your part.
Alright, so after like an hour trying to figure this out, about to install this. So on this year, we got to go about 1.5 inches below this connector here and cut the hose and install it. So that's what we're gonna do.
Now do it again and actually have a wife so you can sit down.
So yeah, we're gonna go down here, probably around this area, cut the hose, put this on, cut the other part of the hose, put it on the other side, clamp it in, should be good to go.
Better hope so, bud.
We'll find out.
All right, so you cut the hose, right? Now, why don't you get a flashlight so we can see what we're doing?
That's your job now.
All right, so as you can see, we've cut that hose there below the electrical connector because this is the 2017 model.
Yep.
So now you just gotta make sure your orientation's right. So
The P has to be facing up.
yeah, because you want the smaller end, that bottom small end, yeah, downward so it restricts more. So you just shove it in there.
Shove it on in there.
You know how to do that, right, Brandon?
Oh yeah.
Shove it. I'm getting nothing but your big mitts.
Yeah.
Sorry. I've had like the worst coughs lately.
I think that's it now.
You think or you know?
I think. I can't push it anymore. There we go. That seems on. What do you think?
Seems on. Yeah, it looks like it's on. Looks like it's on pretty well. So here's what I would do. Oh,
Well, we can pull it out enough to.
you're pulling on it so much. Now it's gonna come out again. Okay, hold this. Now, where's that tiny little flathead?
See that bottom
Might be
hose.
too small.
That bottom hose is gonna have to come up, push out a little bit more.
Yeah, don't lose that screwdriver. That's my favorite one.
So I think I got the bottom on now.
Give me the flash. That should be fine. That looks good. Just want to make sure it's actually on the hose and not. There we go. Turn me.
Hey!
dogs.
Yeah, this is kind of a pain in the butt if it's not already.
You can get a little socket.
You might want to have more screwed in a little bit more. That dog just took off, didn't it?
Probably.
Okay, I'm just gonna push out a little bit more. I was like, okay, what was that?
Sound like a car starting.
I know.
It's the water.
Well, I'd like to get at it a little more.
You want me to get a socket?
No. I don't want you to get anything. Thank you, car, for holding my tool. Okay, so we got Brandon's restrictor pump in on his turbo. We cut the line, put it in. We think it's gonna work pretty well.
Pretty sure.
Pretty sure. We also went to O'Reilly's. We got him a new intake high flow
air
filter, and
did an oil change.
And we did the oil change quick on his car. We added some new stickers to his car. I know. Ooh, stickers. We did.
Same thing as yours.
Yep. I got the same one. Not this big one though. Kind of messed up a little bit on the play sign, but I think it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty snazzy. Got a lot of stuff done today. It was good. So, gonna go ahead and shout out to Mishimoto for the catch can, Perrin for his restrictor pump,
vinyl status for the stickers.
And then definitely to McCord. It's auto body here. You want something to give a shout out? Yeah, there we go. See, perfect, right there on the door. Definitely helped us out a bunch today with the shop and tools and supplies, so big help there. So thank you. Other than that, I'm gonna head out, go get some food, and you're gonna do whatever you do.
Oh, yeah.
And well, if you guys liked the video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to get subscribed and follow us on our social media, our Instagram, our Twitter, and Facebook. So I'll drop some links down below, and I'll try and drop some links for the parts down below as well if you guys are interested in those. So with that, we'll see you guys in the next video.